In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace paragraph returns tabs with GREP in InCopy. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to clean up text by converting paragraph breaks and tabs into something more consistent, using GREP inside the Find, Change dialog. This is especially handy when importing text that came in with messy formatting. Start by opening the Find, Change dialog. Go to the Edit menu and choose Find, Change. When the window appears, switch to the GREP tab. GREP lets you search using patterns rather than literal characters, which is perfect for finding hidden characters like paragraph returns and tabs. In GREP, the code for a paragraph return is \r, written as /r, and the code for a tab is \t, written as \t. Let's replace paragraph returns first. In the Find What field, type +r. In the Change to field, type a single space, or any other character or string you want those paragraph returns to become. Using a plain space will pull separate paragraphs together and insert a space where each return used to be, creating continuous sentences instead of stacked lines. This can be a great way to tidy up text that was broken into short lines. When you're ready, click Change All. InCopy will report how many replacements it made so you know exactly what changed. If the result isn't what you expected, you can undo and try a different replacement character, but the core process remains the same. Next, let's handle tabs. Still in the GREP tab, clear the fields and type in the Find What field. In the Change to field, just press the spacebar once to insert a single space. Then click Change All to swap every tab for a space. This is useful when tabs were used for spacing, but you need uniform spacing for copy flow. Keep in mind, tabs and spaces behave differently for alignment, so after replacing tabs, you may want to review your text to ensure the spacing looks as intended. A few quick tips as you work. GREP patterns are case-sensitive to the / structure, so be sure you're typing +r and +t exactly. Because these commands can affect a lot of text at once, it's a good idea to confirm you're working in the correct document or selection before clicking Change All. And remember, you're not limited to a single space in the Change to field. You can insert any characters you prefer to help structure your content. That's it. With the GREP tab in Find/Change, replacing paragraph returns and tabs becomes fast, consistent, and easy to control.